With all the products in the market, the process of finding the best products can be tedious and overwhelming. To help you choose one, we'll be reviewing and exploring one of the best leaf blower, from the features, specifications, and benefits. The SnapFresh Cordless Leaf Blower provides excellent performance and value. What is especially good about this leaf blower is that it is driven by a powerful copper motor, which can provide 130 miles per hour air velocity. Comes with a battery and charger. It can be fully charged in 1 hour. The usage time is 30 minutes at low speed and 15 minutes at high speed. On top of that, the robust turbine is made by durable materials, which can blow a super strong wind. It also allows the machine to have a long-lasting service life. Here are the specifications of this great product. Here's what stands out features can be found on this model. Here are the ratings of this great product. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.